Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube channel name and handle. At first you go your browser. I'm clicking my Chrome browser, then go YouTube, then click your channel icon on the right upper corner, then click YouTube Studio. Now you have to go customization. I'm clicking customization, then click basic info. Now you can see this interface where already you given your channel name and handle. Here you can change your channel name and handle. Change your channel name. I'm changing my channel name. Whatever you want to do your channel name. Now you can change your handle. I am changing my handle name, or you can also say slug. If your handle is available, you can see blue tick in the right corner. Here you go, you see that. Then click publish. I'm publishing. Now you can see changes. Changes published. That's it to change your YouTube channel name and slug or handle. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends or others this video. Thank you.